Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Tickerviews. Today is the 22nd of February 2024 and I'm going short on Wipro. Okay, today Wipro is making lower highs and lower lows. The trend is lower high and lower low, which is a downtrend. And you can see that the trend line that I've drawn, the green trend line. And the reason I'm entering the short trade is because of the wicks. So here you see an Excel sheet where I enter the entry price and I see the target price as 522.26. So this is an Excel sheet I've curated, right? So I open the tool, the paper trading, and I set the target as 522.25. All right, now we need to set the stop loss. So in this case, I have set the stop loss just above the wick of the first candle, first green candle, which comes to around 527, right? So we set that. So while we do that, just wanted to reiterate on the fact that you should never compromise or never adjust the stop loss, because stop loss is something you can control. You can control your losses, but you cannot control your profits, because profits are dependent on the market. So as you see, the stop loss is at 527 and the entry price is 524.55. The target is 522.25. All right. And once again, the reason I selected this trade is because I usually go through a lot of stocks before I enter the trade, but this particular trade, because of the trend, that is the price action, lower highs and lower lows, and the wicks, the first three candles, they have longer wicks, which means there is seller pressure. Right now, let's see what happens in the trade. The fourth candle is a red candle and has tanked below the open price of the third green candle. Usually, from my experience, when I do a short trade or a long trade, trade continues for close to half an hour, 1 hour. And it's rarely sometimes, when the trade gets over in 5 minutes or 2 minutes. So something very important for intraday traders is patience and risk management. Risk management is the key to intraday trading. Never ever compromise on risk management. And as you see, the fourth red candle is aggressively bearish. Okay, and it's heading towards the target price of 522.25. Right? So we are just 15 minutes in the trade. Not in the trade, in the day. Okay. So, and I've used the risk to reward ratio tool as well, which gives me a risk to reward ratio of 1:1. Ideally, 1:5 or 1:2 is an ideal risk to reward ratio, because there is a brokerage involved in intraday trading or delivery trading. So if you include the brokerage, if you take a loss, it's more than the profit. Okay, so your loss becomes more than the profit, which is not ideal. So ideally, go with 1.25 or 1.5 of risk to reward ratio. All right, we have hit the target. Okay, let's quickly go to the paper trading account history. All right, as you see the account history, you can see the Wipro stock, which was executed and successfully hit the target. Please share your comments on this video on how to improve it and what you would like to learn more. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.